Good morning mga mami! Ayan, so we're almost finished. We're hanging already. So buwis buhay po yan. Para matapos lang namin. And this is our classroom for now. Hindi pa po siya masyadong tapos. As you can see, there's still boxes and books in the table. Hindi pa po talaga siya totally clean. Pero sobrang happy po kami sa result. And I hope na makita niyo po to na matapos na namin lahat po. Meron pa kami idadagdag. So this is our last day of our decoration kasi kailangan po namin mag-prepare ng aming mga lessons and plans for these years. So thank you mommy for watching. And you know what? Ayan na, Christmas. Sorry po kung baliktad po ang itsura niyan. Pero Christmas na po tayo. Lapit na mag-September, mga Burman. Okay mga mommy, bye-bye. Enjoy watching.